Hello handbag lovers, I am here with a video to go over my collection of the classic bucket bag. So I'm going to share my bucket bag collection from Dooney Bourke. I'm going to start this video with a review of a couple of my old school bucket bags and then my Tasha drawstring collection, and I'm going to end with an unboxing. I know you'll be very interested in what I have to share with you, so please keep on watching. To get started, I wanted to share this beautiful bucket bag from Dooney Bourke. And this is in what I would say my old school collection. It's the Samba leather drawstring bag, and she is in the color brick. You may have seen these bags before, and I'm just going to point out a couple things about this bag. First of all, you'll notice with the Samba collection, they all have this beautiful Dooney Bourke lock on the front. She is in the color brick. You could see she has the lovely yellow stitching, so just gorgeous, and an outside pocket that's perfect for your cell phone. As you can see, I have not worn her. I've had her for quite a while. She is just beautiful. And if I could quickly go on the inside of the bag, you see that her eyelets are in gold tone, matching the lock on the front. So on the inside, let me take just a little bit of the stuffing out. You can see she has the Dooney Bourke patch in the back. It's a zipper pocket also, and then she also has a slip pocket. They are collared in the same leather with the beautiful yellow stitching. She also has a snap slip pocket on this side and a smaller pocket on that side with the notorious Dooney Bourke red lining. Beautiful bucket bag, and bucket bags are classic. So that's the first one in my collection that I've defined as my old school Dooney bucket bags. I guess I'll share really quick that she does have the leather strap, which is somewhat, well, it is adjustable, as you can see. And yeah, so that's the Samba leather bucket bag in brick. The next bag I'm going to share with you from what I say is my old school collection is this beauty right here. And this is the Dooney Bourke Sutton Jocelyn drawstring bag. And I believe she's in the color lipstick red. So one tip I will share that I've learned the hard way is as I buy bags, I need to make sure I know their color and their name, because when I try to go back and figure it out, it can be hard sometimes. I've gotten smarter, but these were bags that I bought over 6 years ago. So now I know. So I believe this color is lipstick red. I could be wrong. So what do I love about this bag? First of all, how beautiful is she with the color? I love the Gretta leather on the top and the beautiful eyelets or grommets or whatever you call them. They seem a bit larger and very bright than other bags. This bag also has a back zip pocket, which is very deep, so very nice pocket on the back. You could also see that she has the piping around the edges, and it's in a red suede, and then it also has the Gretta leather trim. Throughout, you can see it has the DB 1975 print. The Dooney Bourke patch or Dooney Bourke plate on the front also is trimmed in the leather with the red suede. Just a beautiful bucket bag, and she is pretty large. So she has two slip pockets. She has a zip and a slip. She has the Dooney Bourke patch as well. This one I also purchased a wallet to match, and it's the same piping and trim, same color, same plate with the leather. The wallet is called the Sutton Harper wallet, also in lipstick red. Pocket on the back, Dooney Bourke plate. It has 4 credit card slots, open pocket there, open compartment, zip compartment with the leather as well. Another slip pocket, another section here. What's unique about this Harper wallet is it has these 2 little smaller pockets on the front. So I don't know if you probably couldn't fit a credit card in there. Maybe you could, I should try that. But just 2 little, if you want 2 little pockets or areas if you want to slip paper. But beautiful matching wallet, which I'm glad I did pick up. I also love the braided zip or braided drawstring on this bag as well. And she is a pretty big drawstring bag. She is definitely a keeper. And you can see her handles are not detachable, but they are adjustable. Just take this. This bag is so beautiful. I love it. It's in the polyvinyl coated cotton, and she's one that I will plan to keep for a lifetime. So again, this is the D&B Sutton Jocelyn drawstring bag in what I believe to be the color lipstick red, and she is gorgeous, so much so I might move into her today. Okay, so those are my old school bucket bags. The next thing I want to share is my Tasha drawstring collection. Someone very close to me is named Tasha, and this individual also kind of shakes her head when she sees me buy a new bag. So I got a whole collection named just after her. So this is my first Tasha. I'm not sure if she's the first one that I purchased, but this one is in Belevedere leather. They describe this leather as richly pebbled leather, and it's tumbled to create a soft and supple feel. So it is very soft. So you could see it has the the drawstring in the Vachetta leather. It has the braided endless braid handles, which is very cute and in leather. It has the gold tone hardware. And then if you look on the inside of Tasha, she has the Dooney Bourke patch. So it's really the standard setup. Zipper pocket as well as a slip pocket on one side. And then she has the 2 slip pockets on the inside. So something about the bucket bags I was very into, and it just so happens that my collection I started was with the Tashas, again because of somebody who's pretty important to me. And then I bought a matching wallet for this Tasha. This color is black, and it's also in the Belevedere. This is the Dooney Bourke Continental clutch, and she has this pocket for cash. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 credit card slots as well as an ID window. She has a slot here for cash or whatever you choose, and another slot there. Perfect match. She has a Dooney plate on the front. So that's my first Tasha. The second Tasha, I didn't stuff her. She's in red. So the exact same bag, same features, same trim in terms of the color of the leather, the braided handle, which is beautiful, and you can see a better view of what's inside or how much she fits or what could possibly fit. Again, with this Tasha, the matching Continental wallet does have a zipper on the back. So thought she was cute. When I saw her in red, I could not resist. In the Belevedere leather, so very roomy. And obviously, as with most Dooneys, they have the key keeper. So that's my second Tasha in my collection. Then let me show you the third Tasha. So this is the third Tasha, and this one is from the Blakely collection. Again, same setup, beautiful color. This one I believe is in white. I'll verify that. It might be bone, I'm not sure. But this is from the Blakely collection. Again, it's polyvinyl coated cotton. It has the signature D&B on it, the logo print. The trim is in Vachetta leather, just like the other Tasha's, and also has the same braided handle and the eyelets. So similar, just different in print. And I thought this one was just gorgeous as well. So I got on my Tasha kick and I couldn't get off of it. They call this jewelry grade gold finish hardware on the Tasha bags. And again, this is from the Blakely collection. And I didn't realize it at the time, but the Blakely is different from the Gretta collection in that Blakely has this light Vachetta leather, whereas the Gretta has the darker natural leather. So as you can see, and I didn't realize it at the time of my purchase, this is the matching wallet that I got to go with this Tasha in Blakely. This actual wallet is from the Gretta collection, and it has the Dooney plate on the front. I love the Tatums. I don't know if you have any. I just like the way it feels in your hand. It's very flat, matches very well with the bag, although it's from a slightly different collection. The Tatum has a zipper at the top so you can put cash or other items. It has the wristlet strap. It also has the plate on the front, which you saw. And then check this out. It unsnaps like so. It has two ID wallets. It has two credit card, actually the slot for the ID, a credit card slot, and then a place for cash. So it looks like it has two credit card slots on this side, two ID windows, place for cash. Then on this side it has 1, 2, 3, total of 6 credit card slots, another place for cash. And like I said, what I love about the Tatum wristlets, I just love the way they feel. Very thin, perfect match for the fourth Tasha or third Tasha. Now let me share with you my fourth Tasha. Here you go. This one is also Blakely, and it's in the brown Timoro. Same setup, beautiful. Again, at first when I bought this, I thought it was from the Gretta collection because I wasn't really clear. I thought anything with this print in coated cotton was Gretta. However, again, it's Blakely and the difference is the leather. So same thing. I did go against what I normally do. I ended up paying full price for this one. Not because I wanted to, but I wanted it for my collection. I couldn't find it on sale at the time. And then I ended up paying full price at Dillard's. However, I still love it, which I normally don't pay full price for Dooney Bourke bags. With this one, I also got a matching Tatum. Very pretty. And again, same thing with the darker leather, but still very pretty. So that's my Tasha collection to date. So here we go with the unboxing. Does anybody want to guess what this bag is? Let's check her out. I hope it's what I think it is. And I guess you could say this is based on FOMO because I've seen this running around the internet. And of course now, because I already have a collection and because everyone else was grabbing these up because they're so beautiful, I purchased myself another Tasha. And as you can see, she is in the DB75 print. So gorgeous. And I love all the beautiful colors. I have several bags with this DB75 print, and I just think that she fits right in to my collection of Tasha. So more than one reason for me to make this purchase. I already had, like I said, bags with this print. So I already had a wallet to match with this one. And you may have seen it on my 4th of July video. But yeah, so I have a wallet already to match this one. And then I also have this little pouch to match this one. So that is it. YouTubers. So I have shared my old school bucket bags, love a great bucket bag, my Tasha Drawstring collection, and my new addition to my family in the unboxing, another Tasha Drawstring. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these types of videos, I ask that you please subscribe. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you to my new subscribers for helping me to get a following for all the great handbags that we all love so much. So if you haven't subscribed, I ask that you please do so. And thank you again for watching, and have a great day. We'll talk soon.